Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the PlayStation app on your PC or laptop. Now if you want to install the PlayStation app on your PC or laptop but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to download the PlayStation app on your PC or your laptops and all other things, then there is not an official app for the PlayStation app to simply download it from a certain website or other things. But the one thing which you can do is you may simply open the Google browser, or you may open the Google browser on device, and from there you may simply search BlueStack and you may simply download the BlueStack PC game company. And if you have downloaded the BlueStack PC game company, and check if there is any PlayStation app available on it or not. So if there is nothing there, then you may simply close the web browser and you may simply open the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store on a device. So after opening Microsoft Store, here you will see the various options of the games and all of the things. So if you want to install the PlayStation app, then you may click on the option of search and you may simply search the PlayStation app like this. So here you can't find the official app for the PlayStation app, but the other thing which you can do is you may simply download the PlayStation Remote Play. So here is the option of the PlayStation Remote Play. So here you'll see the option of console remote play games on Windows. So you may simply download this app and you may connect it with the console you are trying to play with, and you may simply play it from here by using your laptop. So that's it. That's how you can download the PlayStation app on your PC. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.